Meanwhile, Hong Kong opened its first Bitcoin counter today. The SAR government says Bitcoin isn't a real currency and has cautioned individuals about the use of virtual currencies. It did not elaborate on how it will be regulated, but says it will be closely monitoring the situation and cooperating with Chinese regulators who have banned the currency. Channel NewsAsia's Roland Lim has more.
There was big interest in this small 37 square meter retail store at Connaught Road West on Hong Kong Island. Individuals are now able to walk in and buy and sell bitcoins in Hong Kong dollars. They will need to verify their identity and state their address in order to meet the city's anti-money laundering regulations. The man behind the store, Ken Low, says he's catering to market demand for the currency favoured by technophiles and libertarians worldwide.
We turn over 1,400 Bitcoins a day, daily on our online platform. We haven't had a real business case on how many we're going to be turning over at the store, but what we're really trying to do is help with the awareness and the adoption of cryptocurrencies. What we found that on our online platform is it was too difficult for a lot of people to buy and sell Bitcoins. People don't like the online experience.
This Bitcoin enthusiast was the first client of the day and decided to punt several $100s.
我覺得開心係好大，因為我覺得啲價錢根本即係冇跌，因為我睇啲 Bitcoin 啲價錢一路都升有跌，但係賣股票賣翻都係有升有跌。
Following hot on the heels of ANX, two other startups, Bitcoin Group HK and Hong Kong Bitcoin ATM, will be setting up machines across the territory. Meantime, the jurisdiction for bitcoins in the territory remains blurry. The city considers digital currencies as virtual commodities, and that means if it isn't a real currency, it's out of the purview of the Hong Kong Monetary Authority. But at the same time, Hong Kong's Customs and Excise Department hasn't come out to say that it'll be regulating trading. On Thursday, a Bitcoin machine allowing cash exchange was set up in Singapore. Tembusu Terminals has installed the ATM at a bar in the Boat Quay area. 6 days after the Singapore government said it doesn't recognize the cryptocurrency as legal tender. Meantime, the value of Bitcoin remains as volatile as ever. Alarm bells sounded when Tokyo-based Mt. Gox suspended all off and online trading on Tuesday, sparking speculation that the exchange had collapsed. U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen also told a Senate hearing that the U.S. Central Bank has no authority to regulate or otherwise deal with the virtual currency. Roland Lim, Channel NewsAsia in Hong Kong.